Hi everyone, today I am reviewing the outdoor portable telescopic stool. Now this is like a chair, a portable chair that you could take anywhere, literally anywhere, the bus, the train, camping, or even if you want to wait in line for Black Friday, you rather sit down instead of standing up, this stool will come in handy. You can also use it in your house. You can use it to reach your cabinets, like stuff in your cabinet, like when stuff is high up. And it's very lightweight. It is very convenient. I do say, if I say so myself. I mean, let's get to it. So here we're gonna open this up. Okay. Yep. This is the bad boy right here. Not much to it. It's very small. Like I said, it's very lightweight. And it's sturdy. Now to open this up, I'm gonna show you right now. There's two holes that you put your finger here and you put your finger here and you twist. Oh, actually not twist. You just pull up and it opens up like that. And it locks in place like so. Okay? Again, I'm gonna twist it. Now to close it, actually, you twist and close. If you look at it carefully, you see these locking mechanism right here. When you twist it, it locks, and when you untwist it, it opens up and closes up. Okay, let's try it again. You twist, open, twist, lock. Now this can adjust to different length, and this here, the capacity weight is about 400 pounds. It's very, it's like a high quality plastic. It's made of plastic, it's not metal, just so you know. It's very high quality. It's very sturdy. Like I said, it's sturdy, it's not flimsy or anything like that. And it's measure, I believe this part measure maybe about 9 inches in width. Yeah, approximately about 9 inches in width, and the height of it, I believe it's about 18.5 inches in length. Now, like I said, it is adjustable to different size. Okay, see, and I'm gonna show you how strong this thing is. Now I weigh about 186 pounds, and I'm gonna stand on this just to show you how much weight this thing could withstand. Okay, so I'm gonna step on this thing just to show you the capacity that it could withstand. Okay, me bouncing on it. Okay, like I said, it's sturdy, it's very strong. It can withstand up to 400 pounds, all right? And it's adjustable to different length. That's the height of it. And what else? Oh, also it has a carry strap. We could walk around with it like so. You can carry it around with you like a suitcase, and that's it. And it's easy storage. If you're not using it, you can just put it away. The strap is adjustable. You loosen this up to adjust the strap. Like I said, you can take it down, adjust the strap for different length, or you could just use it like a handheld for a shorter strap. Thank you, and that's it.